Lweli uthi kuzakufuneka iinguqu kuqoqosho lweli ukuze likwazi udala amathuba emisebenzi.
I happen to believe that, yes, we do need to reset our economy. We do need to reset the structure of our economy. We do need to look at the ways we've always done things. And this is the moment that should herald the new change. And in a way, much as COVID-19 is a dark cloud that is hanging over the lives and the economy of our country, it does have a silver lining.
Uthi kuzakufuneka iibhiliyoni zeerandi uvuselela uqoqosho lweli.
But we will also seek to establish new sectors of our economy. Sectors that will be given to employing more people. Sectors that will be able to absorb many people who are unemployed.
Uthemse ukuba uza kubamba indibano ngalumba okanye i-economic symposium ngesingesi uzama utsala abatyali izimali. Ndingumanelisi Dubase weendaba ze-SABC epalamente Kapa.